Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. In today's video I am going to be opening the September Your Creative Studio Kit. I just got it in the mail. I haven't opened it, haven't peeked, nothing, so let's get into it. I've just undone the tape. And let's pull everything out. So here is the little thank you card, and this typically gives us an idea of what the theme of the kit will be. I'm seeing a candle, so let's keep an eye out for that, and I'm seeing lots of scripts. So let's just slide everything out. And right away I can see the exclusive sticker set here, which has got some hand illustrated lanterns, and I really love these. I love that these are all the same size, so I think I'm probably going to end up using these as envelope letter seals to seal my envelope, because there's quite a bit there and I could just feel like it would take me a long way with just adding a little touch on the back of an envelope. Here is one of the exclusive items as well, and it looks like a clear stamp in the same design as the exclusive sticker, or I guess it's a little bit different, but it's the same lantern motif, so that's super cool. Here is the exclusive washi tape. Looks like a vertical washi tape, which is really interesting. They don't do this a whole lot, any creators, so I love seeing vertical washi tapes because I think it just creates a really interesting vibe to put washi tape vertically down your journal pages. So there is the design. Lots of font and writing, as well as the candles and lanterns. Here, oh, this looks really cool already. I wonder if this is a stamp. It feels really heavy. Oh no, wow, that's a lot of stickers. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we have label stamp, or stickers, I mean, and it looks like 3 different colors. I wonder if there are varying designs. Okay, nope. So there's one line through the middle of each one. We've got a dark green, a blue, and a red. So that's really fun. These are a really great size too. All right, next we have 60 pieces from the Cottage Garden line from whatever maker this is. And we've got varying sizes of different distressed looking paper. I hope that's coming off clearly. We've got a square, a little bit bigger rectangle, again with a very cool distressed paper look, and then this one is a little bit bigger. This is a very cotton feeling paper. There's a lot of texture there. It's not a sticker paper either. So look at the colors though. How fun is that? I love this because this is going to go a long way in terms of layering. All right. Oh, we've got another exclusive stamp. There are 3 stamps in here. 3 different designs of Candlestick. How cool are those? So altogether we are getting 4 rubber stamps this month. We get a mini pack of envelopes, airmail themed. They're all the same. Here's the design. Ooh, okay, this is new. Okay, Amanda, I see you. This is a notebook, and it's a Your Creative Studio exclusive. And it looks to be about passport size. Oh my gosh. And everything is printed on the inside, even the back and front cover. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? It's all the same design, but Dang. And it's thick too. And it's hand sewn. It feels like a really, really, really high quality notebook. You can see it's sewn there. And the paper is textured on both sides. I love this. This is so cool. And it looks like, I don't know if it's meant to be this way, but my notebook feels like the color varies. I don't know if you can see this color versus this. It looks a little different. That could just be how it was printed, but there's a label on the front to write your name, and it goes with the theme perfectly. This is fun. And of course, she's got her branding right there. I love this. It's very thick. There's a lot of paper in this for a little teeny notebook. Super, super fun. All right, I want to keep everything separated here. We've got a little charm, again, in that lantern design, and it's double-sided. That's really pretty. All right, we've got some clear washi stickers, or washi stickers, I mean, and they are stamped. They are stamp design punch, or they look like stamps, like they're punched to look like stamps. Lots of kitties. Look at all these kitty cats. These would be really great for envelope seals as well as like just decorating. These images are really fun. That's fun. There's a lot in this pack too. All right. 3 more things. Next is a letter set, I think. I think that's what I'm seeing. Yep, there are 3 different letter sets. So we have a vellum envelope. I don't want to rip it, get anything out. And we have an envelope seal. And then some pretty paper. This is really pretty. I would, though, note that this envelope is sealed vertically, and if you are in the States and you use this as an actual mailing label, or a mailing envelope, I mean, if you address it and stamp it vertically like this, like if you put your stamp here and you put your address this way, it will cost more because it makes it non-machinable, because it can't just slide through the machine like this. So if you do it this way, which would be really cute because there's like a printed vase right here that the flower looks like it's coming out of, you would just have to put extra postage, which would be the non-machinable rate, which it used to be like 70 cents. I don't know what it is now, but these are really pretty. These would be fun to just tuck into your journal, or to just insert into like another, like a package, so that you wouldn't have to worry about that non-machinable fee or postage fee. But I love this. We've never had anything like this before, so this is really fun. Two more items here. All right, we have this very beautiful looking kit here. I love a good vellum envelope. It's quite heavy too. There's quite a bit in here. So let's see what we have. We've got a washi sticker. We've got some tags. These are really pretty. They're collaged really well. Got some more tags. This is like a little gift set, feels like. Another tag. And then some washi stickers. These are really delicate and pretty. It just feels like very Victorian garden. I love the floral and postage vibe. All right. And then we have a sticker sheet. This is on sticker paper. And this is also on sticker paper. And then we have little mini collage sheets in different sizes. And I believe these are meant to be folded up as envelopes, like little mini envelopes. Like so. I could sort of tell that just by the odd shape. Look how cute! It's like teeniest, miniest envelope, and it's already like decorated. All you would have to do is glue right here and here, and then add a little sticker there to keep it closed. But how adorable is that? So you've got these as well. And then the last item in this pack is a little, another washi stickers sheet. So you would just have to fussy cut all these images out, but those are really pretty. I love, love, love this. But all this is really interesting. I haven't seen a kit like this before. There's a lot going on here, and I really love that. But like I said, this feels like a little mini gift set, like a gift wrapping set or something. But I absolutely love that. And I love that it's in this vellum envelope. There's a lot here. All right, and the last item is the exclusive 6x6 paper. And this feels like it is on sticker paper, but here is one sheet. Here is another. Can't tell which way is up. Here's another. We've seen this sort of design through the whole kit. And like I said, this is on sticker paper. I could just tell, you could just feel that there's a backing there. But I love sticker paper because that means I don't have to have adhesive. I am a big fan of having things on sticker paper. But yeah, this is all really, there's a lot in this kit. I don't know if you guys are feeling the way I'm feeling, but there's a lot here. I love the way this looks. Look, using this little mini envelope with this little sticker there. You could tuck this easily with a little inside a letter. Just put some small paper bits in there and just tuck it into a letter, and there's like a little easy goodie pack. I can't get over this this little journal. This is new for her. She's never done this before, and I'm here for it. This is so interesting. I'm going to have to think of a really fun way to use this because this is really fun. And for Amanda to venture out again and create an exclusive item for her kids. I mean, it just feels like we're getting more and more exclusive items. We've got the paper, the notebook, a bunch of stamps, the stickers, a washi tape, and just like a few other sentiments that sort of tie everything together. And it just feels really, really great. So that is it for the unboxing. There's quite a bit here. I'm kind of surprised how much is here, but if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I will leave everything you need to find this kit so that if you're interested in subscribing, you can easily find Amanda's website. But that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.